I'm going to show you how I box my bottom of the bags to make it sit nicely. So this is a lining, and you do exactly the same for the outer bag, except for the opening. So you sew down both sides, and you leave an opening in the bottom for turning through later on. Once you've done that, you can grab each side, pull it out, and match that bottom seam with that side seam, and pull it so it's nice and tight there, and then mark how far down you need to sew across, and you sew across that mark. So whether it be 1 inch, 2 inch, 1.5 inches, and then you're left with this. You can now trim this off, and then once you've done that and put it all in, you can turn it through, and you'll end up with a nice bottom here that's boxed like that, and that will sit nicely.